Hey Health Nuts, it's Nicole from HealthNut Nutrition. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe I am so excited about. It is like the easiest, most delicious, busy weeknight dinner recipe. It is my shrimp fajitas made on a sheet pan in the oven in like 15-17 minutes. It's so quick and simple. It's so flavorful. You guys are gonna love it. And it's like my go-to dinner for Matt and I lately. And I think you guys are gonna freaking die over this recipe. So without further ado, let's hop right into the recipe and I'll show you guys how simple it is to make. Now to start off these fajitas, we have a large pan and we're gonna roast some veggies. I have some colored bell peppers, some red onion, all sliced up into thin strips. And then I'm also gonna toss in some raw peeled jumbo shrimp. Drizzling on some olive oil. We're gonna spice this up with my own DIY fajita mix. For this, we have some chili powder, chipotle powder. The chipotle powder adds a really nice, deep, smoky flavor to this dish. Paprika, cumin, which I feel like is essential for any Mexican kind of inspired dish. Garlic powder. Now I love using garlic powder versus minced garlic when I'm gonna be roasting veggies, just because I find it doesn't burn, but you still get that garlicky flavor. And then a good pinch of some sea salt and black pepper. I'm also gonna take some fresh lime juice and squeeze a few wedges over the mixture. Mix everything up really well with either tongs or your hands just to make sure all the spices are evenly coated on the shrimp and veggies. I also like to pop on some lime wedges to get roasted in the oven, and it's just a really nice extra limey, zesty flavor when it all cooks up. And then just pop that into the oven to roast. I will have all of the measurements and instructions over on my blog. A link is in the info box below. While that's cooking, we can also prep our corn tortillas. So I just have some soft corn tortillas that I'm gonna wrap up in some foil. And this is just really to heat them up. And so I'm just gonna wrap it up and pop it into the oven during the last 5 minutes just to warm them up. This is what it looks like when your fajitas are done baking. I like when the veggies still have some crunch and aren't too soggy, and the shrimp is perfectly cooked. You don't want to overdo it when it comes to seafood. It still amazes me how quickly this cooks up in the oven. Now that our tortillas are nicely warmed up, they're nice and soft and pliable, I'm gonna lay them on my serving plate. Usually per person, I like to do about 2 to 3. And then it's time to assemble. I'm also adding some ripe avocado, a sprinkle of feta, fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. These fajitas are so flavorful, they don't even need a sauce on top. I love them just as is, and I know you and your family or friends are gonna love them as well. And I totally feel like taco night should now be fajita night. All right guys, there you have it. That's how easy this recipe is to make. I love how everything is just made on one easy baking dish in the oven, and like I said, it's perfect for busy weeknight dinners. I have one portion here left. It was like hard to salvage this one last taco because Matt came home for lunch and we just devoured the whole thing. So I'm gonna take a little taste test bite and show you guys the inside. So good. Oh my goodness. Guys, you need to make this recipe. It's so good. And if you don't like things too spicy, I would suggest adding a little bit more paprika and a little bit less of the chili powder, but I think it has a perfect amount of heat to it. And I know you guys are gonna love it. So check the info box down below for the full recipe over on my blog. You can print it out, you can pin it, save it, whatever you need to do. Make this, send me your photos on social media, tag me at your HealthNut so I can find them and like them. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button down below and join my monthly newsletter. I send out a new newsletter on the 1st of every single month with my monthly favorites, with a recap of what happened the last month and lots of other goodies. So be sure to follow there. And I will see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna go finish enjoying this fajita, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Oh, so good. Bye.